Good morning, everybody. Chris and I are in the kitchen, and the kitchen's pretty good. It's pretty good, but we're starting to accumulate junk up here, and we don't want any junk. And we've got some junk down here too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lean this thing up a little bit. We're gonna use some fast cat corners and give everything its place, and that way reduce clutter, save time, save 2 seconds every day by not having to move around crap. We'll check back in. So the deeper we get into this, the weirder it gets. Here's a coffee mug with a spoon and some like being protected by an old CD spindle cover. Yeah. So we're gonna take all this stuff apart. We're gonna clean it out. We're gonna label it. We're gonna make it awesome. We're gonna make it super clean too. And then we're gonna make a cleaning chart. It's be somebody's responsibility every day to clean this entire kitchen. And we'll share the job. What's all this stuff? All right, we'll check back in. Okay, so the first thing that we did is we dropped this shelf down here. So we noticed that when it was up high, it was just becoming a crap collector. There's things hiding up there. So we're dropping this shelf down. This level will only be able to hold something as high as a coffee mug. As a matter of fact, this will only be for coffee mugs, and this will only be for glasses up here. Pretty cool. Okay, so we cleaned out this bottom drawer, and now the only thing that was there are the kitchen cleaning supplies. One of each. Nice and tight. Up here, Kaizen corners for the coffee pot. Kaizen corners on our new dish rack. Right. Our new sponge holder. Then we've got hand soap. So we'll always know where to put it back. Always know if it's missing. Hand sanitizer back there. And our coffee supplies and coffee mugs. Again, everything down low, eye level for the most part. No hiding places. Same thing over here. Bowls, drinking glasses, eye level. Nice. Shelf paper and everything. So there we go. And then tomorrow we'll have a look at our cleaning schedule.